A quick one, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure on how to download apps on Samsung Smart TV. If you have the Samsung Smart TV and you want to download and install your Vivorite application on your Samsung Smart TV or Samsung TV via the app application page, that is downloading from the Samsung store on your Samsung TV. This is what you just need to do. So the first thing you want to make sure you do is you want to connect your Samsung TV to the internet. You can find a link in the video description on how to connect Samsung TV to the internet and follow through to connect your device to the internet. Once it is connected to the internet, so what you want to do is you want to make sure you scroll to the bottom left, just keep scrolling until you see the application icon, then select app. So once you selected app, you'll be taken to Samsung Discovery app page, and here you have all the application you've installed on your Samsung devices. And if you scroll down, you have all other applications you can download on your Samsung and install it. So this include the Showmas, the XTV app, YouTube Kids, Gallery, Sport TV, and other TV application. Now, what if the app you want to download on your Samsung TV is not here? This is what you're going to do. But if it is here, just select the application just like this, and then press the enter button on the remote control. Once you hit the enter button, you'll be taken to this page where you just need to select the installed button. But in another way around, all you need to do is make sure you navigate to the top right of the page and select this icon that is called the app search. So that is app search icon, select that. And once you selected that, you'll be prompted to type in the app keyword that you want to download here. And in most cases, once you start typing the application name, you should see suggestion box coming up here with the different types of application you can download and install on your Samsung TV. So let's say I am interested in downloading any of this application on my Samsung TV. Then I just need to navigate to the application using the navigation button. So let's say I want to download AirPlay IPTV, then select that. And once you selected that, you'll be taken to where to download and install this application. And here is it, AirPlay IPTV. Just select the install button. Once you click on the install button, you should see the install button change to cancel. And then you see it is 100%. This is going to monitor your app downloaded, and once it's downloaded, you can just go ahead now and then open the IPTV application or add the IPTV app to your Samsung home screen. You can also click on the menu option or more option there to see information about this particular application. So that is it. Now to open the application, you need to navigate to home and then select it. And once you selected that, the app will load and you can actually start using this application on your Samsung TV. So this might take a couple of seconds because you are just launching this particular application on your Samsung TV for the first time. You can see, welcome to AirPlay, and here you go. So this is how to download app on Samsung and how you can actually install application on your Samsung device. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.